And my routine is actually very simple. Guys, welcome back to another LOCmas video. So today we're going to be doing my wash day routine. It's a little bit different, a little bit more updated to where I am in my loc journey, but I just wanted to come show y'all what I do, what I use, and then some of the mistakes I feel like I probably made when I was starting out the washing my hair. As you guys know, I braided and banded my hair starting off early on with the Microlocs. Let me rewind. If you guys are new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. And if you're returning, thank you for coming back again to watch another video here on the channel. But like I was saying, one mistake that I feel like I was probably making when I first started washing my Microloc is not using some of the products that I needed. So let me show you guys the products I'm using today. And my routine is actually very simple. I basically do a 3-step routine. So first product that I like to use is the Master Cleanse. You guys saw this in my essentials video. If you guys have not seen that video, watch it after, but I'm gonna put it in the card here for you guys to see, and then of course try to put it at the end of the video or down in the description for you guys to watch. So I like to use the Master Cleanse. This one is a targeted scalp wash, which is why I feel like it's really good if you're somebody like me who has dry scalp and you're just trying to get all the buildup off your scalp. It also has tea tree oil in it, witch hazel and eucalyptus oil, which is why I love to use the Master Cleanse. So if you're somebody that struggles with that like me, definitely go check this out and give it a try. And then for my second product, this is something I just put into my routine, I want to say about 3 to 4 months ago. This is the Sharee Moisture Manuka Honey and Marafa Oil Intensive Hydration Shampoo, and it has fig extract and then the boba, I want to say boba oil. But y'all, this is so good for not only washing the hair, but hydrating and replenishing extra dry hair. And if you guys don't know, if you weren't like subscribed to me before I had Microlocs, y'all already know I had dry hair out the gate. So now that I have Microlocs, that hasn't changed at all. I still have dry hair, and especially with the winter season coming on, you definitely want to add a hydrating shampoo. So I highly recommend this one, the Sharee Moisture. So that is my second favorite. And then the last, especially for dry hair girlies like me, I like to use the hair mayonnaise. This one is a deep conditioner. It helps to treat and repair dry or damaged hair. And this is good after I shampoo. So literally I use these products one behind the other. So the Master Cleanse, then I use the hydrating shampoo, and then I use the hair mayonnaise. I don't use a regular conditioner, and I never really have. There was a point where I did use a regular conditioner, but I just feel like it wasn't doing nothing, it was useless. So I started using a hydrating or a deep conditioning mask. And this one's a little dirty, so excuse me. I don't know why it's that dirty all of a sudden, but definitely one of my favorite products. Go to, I probably deep condition my hair, or I might, depending on how dry my hair is feeling, I might do it every time I wash my hair. It just depends. This is a tea. This is it, okay? It's that girl. Like, one of the mistakes I was doing early on is using products that were just like cleaning my hair and not doing the essential part, which is hydrating my hair outside of the time that I would be spraying water on it. So let's go ahead and hop into the shower, and I'm gonna jump into my routine. This next part is probably gonna be a voiceover, so I'll see y'all in there. Quick disclaimer, not too much on your girls' underarms. I am doing a video for y'all, so we'll talk about that later. For now, let's just worry about this hair care. So starting off in the shower, I always like to make sure that I am properly rinsing and declogging my hair as much as possible before I start to actually do the wash process. So this part is just mostly rinsing the hair and just trying to get my fingers into the scalp, just opening up the hair shaft and everything. So making sure that your water is on warm, not really hot, but warm. So we're first going in with the Master Cleanse, which we talked about already, perfect for removing buildup. And I love this because it is applied directly to the scalp with the nozzle on the top of the bottle, and you twist to open it. So I love this because I can put it directly into my hair without having to try to get underneath the braids. So as you can see, it's not foaming up like a regular shampoo, but it is cleansing the scalp, which is the name. So it does a perfect job of removing buildup on my scalp. So I heavily recommend this one. Once I get the product dispersed throughout my hair, I'm going in with both of my hands because, as y'all know, it's a little bit hard to try to use one hand while you're trying to wash your hair. Mostly that's why I just use it to add the product. But after I get the hair washed, I rinse, and then I'm going in with this hydrated shampoo from Shea Moisture. So this one, it foams up way more, so you can kind of see that it's doing its job. It feels moisturizing, it feels hydrating. And I usually do a preliminary wash, so I wash it once and then I'll go back in again for a second wash. But on the second wash, we're going to go through and drag the product down through the hair so that it's actually getting into the hair strands now. So I'm not just putting it on my scalp, but I'm pulling it all through the hair to bring it down to the tips of my hair as well, to make sure that part is getting cleansed and hydrated as well. Once we get to the final rinse of shampoo, I like to make sure that I am clearing my hair as much as possible. So I let my hair run under the water for at least 5 minutes before I actually go in with conditioner, because I want to make sure that all the shampoo is out of my hair. I've come up against times where I did not properly rinse my hair and I still had like shampoo or some type of conditioner in the front of my hair. So I really take this serious. And then once we get that done, I kind of rinse out the extra water, because my hair and your hair is probably going to hold on to the water a lot. So after that, we're going to go in with our hair mayonnaise, which is my favorite part because this defines my curls, but you can tell it's hydrated. So it's not just sitting on top of the hair, it's penetrating the hair shaft and really hydrating my ends, because as you guys know, my hair is curly on the ends. So this side is the side that I put it on, and then the opposite side I did not put any on. So I'm not sure if you can tell how much more defined and hydrated that one side was versus the side I didn't put it on. But after that, I kind of just go in and make sure that I am coating my hair in all the areas. I try to make sure I get the front of the two pieces because those are protected by the longer hair. Those two pieces are literally pieces of hair that were my edges that I used to cut. So they are growing out perfectly, and this is what my hair is looking like after it is fully coated with the hair mayonnaise, looking hydrated and healthy. So that is the goal. Lastly, I like to go in and put the hair mayonnaise on the area where my hair is going to be parted the most, which is the middle part. And this is the part that's out and it's getting hit by the elements the most. So I try to pay a little bit more attention to this area because my hair is always out for the most part. After that, we go in with our shower cap, and I'm just sealing off my hair to allow the hair mayonnaise to fully penetrate the hair and for it to do its job. So you really do still want to use the hair cap. I feel like it is perfect for the hair mayonnaise. I let my hair mayonnaise sit until I am done cleansing my body. And then after we get out, we use the turban towel. I've been using this turban towel for years, even on my loose hair before I had microlocs. So it is a go-to. I don't use regular towels on my hair. This one has a securing knob at the back of it, so it will keep it on, it won't move. And usually what I do is I just, get ready for bed. I just let my hair dry in the turban towel for the most part, unless I'm doing a style. But that's it for this video, guys. Definitely make sure to subscribe, become part of the family, and I will see you guys in the very next video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up to let me know that you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the very next LOCmas video.